This video explains how to construct an isosceles trapezoid in Geometers Sketchpad using the compass or circle tool and the straight edge or segment tool. To start, press the fourth button down, which is the segment tool, and construct a segment by pressing down on a spot to make the first point and pressing down on another spot to make the second point. Similar to the constructions of a parallelogram and a rectangle, the longer the segments, the better. Make another segment going in a different direction so that it intersects your first. Next, select the point tool, which is the second button down, and construct a point where the two segments intersect. Then select the compass or circle tool, which is the third button down, and construct a circle starting at the intersection point and extending to any point on one of the line segments. So it's your choice how big or small it is. I'll go big this time. Repeat these last two steps to make a circle, either bigger or smaller than your first one. I'm going to make mine smaller. Then we're going to select the point tool and we're going to construct the two extra points of intersection that are created depending on how we want our trapezoid to look. Notice right here I have the longer segment or bigger circle at this point. I'm going to make the side that's the same on this side, so I'm going to construct a point there, and therefore I need a second point that is equidistant from the center as this one, so that's on the last section over here. Then we're going to select the segment tool, which is the fourth button down, and we're going to connect these four circle and segment intersections that we created. Last, we're going to hide the extra segments, lines, and points and circles. So I have my two circles. I don't really need this intersection point. And I have the two segments, and I have all the endpoints outside. Then once they're all highlighted, go to Display, Hide Objects. In order to verify that our quadrilateral is an isosceles trapezoid, we're going to measure the segment lengths and angle measures. Let's do the segments first. So start by highlighting all of your segments and then go to Measure Lengths. And notice that the two sides that represent the legs of our trapezoid are indeed congruent, so it is isosceles. Now we're going to do each angle individually, and in order to do so, we're going to select 3 points at a time, making sure that our middle point is the vertex. So if I'm doing angle A, I'll start with point D and go to DAB and then measure angle. Then I'll do ABC, measure angle. I'll go to BCD, measure angle, and the last one is CDA, measure angle. What we notice is that each pair of base angles are indeed congruent, therefore it is isosceles. And then if I look at the consecutive angles between the bases, here and here, these two angles are supplementary, making the bases parallel. And the same holds true with these two over here. They're supplementary, therefore my two bases are parallel. Therefore we have an isosceles trapezoid. I hope that you found this video helpful, and I hope that you have a great day.